rainforest.
I hope everyone is still there. We have so much work to do. There are 4 layers of the rainforest, and we have to work together.
Where is everybody? What, are we early?
No, I think we're late. Look there. I think it's the book that we were going to be studying. I think it's open to the chapter on the rainforest.
You're right, this is a book, but where is everyone?
Audrey, look at the picture. Don't call me crazy, but...
Sophia, I don't think you're crazy. I think I see everyone. Catherine, what are you doing?
I'm exploring the rainforest floor.
What?
What is right? Look around. But it might be hard since this is the darkest layer and very little sunlight gets down here.
That must be why it's so hot and humid here.
Look at those fast decomposing leaves. In other places in the world, it could take years to break down.
Shh! Don't talk so loud.
Why?
Some of the largest animals live on the rainforest floor, like elephants, tigers, and jaguars.
Where is everyone?
Guys, what are you doing here?
Exploring the understory.
The what?
The understory, the next level up from the forest floor. This is the area where young trees, palms, and shrubs grow in the shade. But the leaves here are big here to absorb as much sunlight as possible. And where animal life camouflage.
What kind of animals?
Well, like the poison dart frog.
Where's everyone else?
And butterflies.
Wow, it was really hard to get up here to the canopy.
I'm just glad scientists built bridges to make it easier to climb up.
Look, there's Maya and Bryce.
Shh! We're busy here observing the toucans and sloths, seeing how much fruit goes up here for them to eat and flourish. And not to mention measuring the amount of rainfall. Look how the canopy forms a roof over the remaining 2 layers. Wow, that's a long way down.
I'd rather look up.
Well, keep going.
Wow, the emergent layer.
There's so many birds up here.
Blue-headed parrots.
Macaws. Tiger swallowtails.
The trees here are big or tall as skyscrapers. Lots of sun up here.
But lots of wind, too.
Boys and girls, shh, quiet, this is the library. And it's time to go. Class has started. Go back to class.
Can I see?